Alright, so today we're going to remove the carburetor. I ordered a new one. It's coming in on Wednesday, so yeah, I went ahead, tried to rebuild it and everything, and that didn't really work out, so just went ahead and ordered another one so that way we can get this thing started and keep on moving on with the project.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start to pour the fuel out of it and everything and get it ready so I can get it sent out. And so while I got it all apart, I'm gonna paint this too. Just paint it back black and everything, sand it down, and take all this stuff off right now. Okay, so today we're gonna be putting the new carburetor on the truck. I got this one right here from Guaranteed Carburetors. What I gotta do first, I put two nuts on here together so that way I could just take this stud out. I might have to swap that over. This one doesn't have it for the air cleaner.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Go for it. Right away. 5 minutes. I mean, we didn't even tune it. We didn't even touch it or anything. Just like that. Right from guaranteed carburetors is running. Custom exhaust. Gonna let it run for a little bit longer, turn it off, make sure it turns back on, get all this shit out of here so I can get it on the road. Sounds good though. Alright, so we're about to go take it on her Maiden voyage right now. Go test out its drivability and all that, but just wanted to show you guys. I painted this intake from the last time. I'll drop down a picture or something of what it used to look like, but yeah, just simple little things make it look nicer. Got a lot more cleaning up I can do. I do want to eventually delete the canister, the smog pump, get rid of this EGR, everything that I can, make it look a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer and all that. But yeah, it's coming along. Shit. Alright, so just a quick update. Second day of the car being installed, and it's been running pretty good. I just drove it maybe about 30 minutes today, and yeah, it's running solid. I know I need to replace this plug down here because that goes to the electric choke, and it keeps closing every time that it falls off. So I got it secure for now, but I'm gonna take it to work tomorrow, so we'll see how it does in the morning when it's cold. All right, this is her first morning cold start. Feels kind of chilly out. Let's see how she does. Damn, like a champ. All right, been driving for about 15 minutes now. So day 3 of the carburetor being installed, and every single day she's been driving like a champ. Speedometer's working good, just fine. My battery light's on, so I'll figure out what that's about later. I mentioned that I did the speedometer cable, and I've been watching that, and my speedometer's been real smooth, real consistent. So